Look, Srinivas, as you said it rightly, whoever you are, from various backgrounds or history, may be tainted one. No wonder but your own choices in life derives the actual path for you to reach wherever you are in life. No one chooses wrong path in life of their own. It is the wrong situation which makes that decision wrong, and with opposite wind it comes all wrong for that individual. And once the destiny throws you in the dirt of society, then you yourself decide to become bad of your own. And then no one can stop you from getting bad element in social life. Not others, nor even you. Always remember this, Srinivas. Your own choices would always derive your future. And I guess you have succeeded in making one good choice itself. The only thing what remains now is to maintain this dedication throughout, to become one finest individual for your people. Rest I'm mighty sure that you would make it big on your own. You have your inbuilt capacities in you to take you ahead in life in any situation, that too on your own. Hmm, right, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask one thing to you. Yes, Srinivas, please go ahead. How can I help you in it? Sir, can you tell me something about my father, other than what I know about him, so that it could become a learning curve for me, sir? I don't want to know about my father's one wrong side, but I do wanted to know about his neutral side, sir. Well, Srinivas, what I can tell you about him? There are limitations to tell everything over phone. But I can tell you, Srinivas, there are two types of criminals. First, who become criminal by situation and not by choice. And second are those who become criminal by choice and went on to create large organized crime syndicates for themselves. There is one other thing also. Though both the things are different, but somewhere you can say both things do start with hostile situations or fate, and it is one way traffic altogether. कुछ लोग इसमें फंस जाते हैं और मजबूरी में उन्हें इसमें आगे बढ़ना पड़ता है, जबकि अदर कैटेगरी में लोग शुरुआत में फंसते हैं लेकिन आगे जाकर इसे एक पेशा बना लेते हैं ज़िंदगी जीने का, और जहाँ ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती वहाँ भी वो क्राइम को अंजाम दे देते हैं। बात अगर तुम्हारे पिता की होती है श्रीनिवास, तो जितना मैंने उनकी दर्द भरी कहानी जानी है उस हिसाब से तुम्हारे पिता पहली कैटेगरी में आते हैं, जो गलत हालात और किस्मत की वजह से इस दलदल में आए और अब बाहर नहीं जा सकते थे, इसलिए मजबूरन उन्हें वहीं ठहरना पड़ा और वक्त के साथ वो क्राइम की दुनिया का शिकार बन गए। मेरी कई बार उनसे मुलाकात हुई थी, लेकिन हर बार उनकी बातों से यही जाहिर हुआ कि वो उस जुर्म की दुनिया में आकर खुश नहीं थे। उन्होंने ये सब छोड़ना भी चाहा, लेकिन उस दुनिया में वापसी का कोई रास्ता नहीं होता है श्रीनिवास, एंड ही गॉट ट्रैप्ड इन इट इवेंचुअली। I did help him though to come out of it, but his own people of crime world took his life in the end. That is what I can tell you about him, Srinivas. Hope you can understand his situation with your own mindset. There are lots of things in life which happen with no other possible logic. It is far more different than it, Srinivas. Hope you can understand it in right ways. Yes, sir, I am. And I know, sir, how one traumatic life traumatizes other lives in front of the whole world. People do see their relatives with the same colored glasses to arrive at the same opinion. That is what makes their lives as hell. Who thinks behind it, sir? Hmm, I can understand your mindset, Srinivas, regarding your family background. But, lad, please understand, every individual is different from others. And same case is with you too. You have your own journey of life and you shall travel as per it. You are missing with the charm of right path in life which you found and earned on your own. So do maintain it. Okay, son? Leave these tragic stories behind now. What about your college activities? Tell me about your college heroics these days. I heard a lot from Pratap Rao regarding you, Srinivas. Both Pratap and Shripad have high regards for you. They are always worried about you that you shall not land in any kind of unnecessary trouble and shall fully concentrate on creative things to learn and grow at ACCS. But yes, I want to know about your college activities. Well, sir, that is what I have right now to tell you about. College life is must. सब अच्छा चल रहा है. Was good in 2 sessions tests at the start of year, and then came the practice games of upcoming 8 Overs Cup. Our coach Mishra sir held additional practice games within ourselves to find extra pool of talent to reduce the burden from the current set of players through backup options. So we all gave in those games. I worked hard for it, and luckily I was having right talent to match those requirements. And then real practice matches happened and my name went popular within first 3 games itself. I got an award in the end for the best innings played in these games, and everyone then knew me from that day onwards. The last 3 games then dominated by the bowlers, and there was little scope for the batters like us. But still we made it to the finals, and though I was a top scorer in the finals for my team, we lost it eventually. But my name went in the popularity list in the ACCS campus, and life took the happy turn. It was a new experience for me, the happy days. But yes, I know my past very well. Those days, those situations, and those hard times. And I remained ground footed. So I was been able to manage my workload as per it, and I remained ground footed. Next, due to my good performances in studies and extracurriculars, I am then selected for upcoming Master's Quiz, which is a precious knowledge and logic based quiz competition around all colleges, which is open for all 11th to 15th standard students. And I was popular again with the masses in the campus. So now concentrating on our midterm exams. After that, there will be the actual 8 Overs Cup competition to be held at the university ground, and then that master quiz. So in a way, along with the studies, we all are very much involved in the extracurricular activities based on our talents, and that is how I am making use of each and every opportunity to grow in all possible aspects, to become a creative individual who can do good for himself and for our society. बस सर, यही सब चल रहा है 6 महीने से. Good, yaar, Srinivas. Good, good, all good. Very nice to hear all this. You have come up so far in limited time. That too on your raw talent. Now just keep one thing in mind, Srinivas. Don't stop anywhere, okay? Keep going ahead. Maintain this till the end of your graduation. Many more opportunities would knock your door, okay? So do respond for it. Make it big and go all the way. These are good people at ACCS Srinivas, very much genuine, and they will make use of your raw talent to make you champion in all aspects of college studies. Two more things to tell you, Srinivas. Channel your hunger in right ways. Don't lose it, and do keep your energy levels intact. Don't waste them unnecessarily. You are going to go for a long journey, lad. So do remember these things. Right now I am busy with our city's law and order arrangements, and hence busy. But if time permits, I would meet you at campus someday. So on that day you can open your heart to me. It is necessary as a lot of things are happening along the way, and we do keep a lot of things at heart and doesn't open it. So you can feel free to express your emotions in front of me. I'm there for you always. Just keep going as you are. Yes, sir, definitely. Your words enhance my confidence in big way, sir. Thanks for your right support. And yes, I would definitely come good in coming time to do something better in life. My past and this present would definitely set my future in glowing ways, sir. Thanks to you. No, son, it is all because of your efforts. Okay, beta? Take care. Bye for now. Bye, sir. Take care.
Yes, Shripad and Mahindra. Please come, please. Yes, please have a seat, mates. Or Pratap, how's you, buddy? Long time now to meet. Though we were there on the phone, it was long time to meet again. You, Shripad. Yes, sir. True, this is. We met some 1 month back, and then meeting now here after that. Time flies so fast, very fast. Haha, it was a long time indeed, Mahindra. We initially decided to meet every week for this matter. But after initial easy clues, when we all went in depth of it, it took that much time out of it. And guess what? It took more than a month now to meet again. महेंद्र इस बार का डिनर अब हमारे यहाँ. We did come to know about your exact likings as per your diet. And now it is a time to get you under some delicious dishes within our serious talks this time around. So lots of food for brain and stomach. Pratap, true it is. There is a lot of food for this time around for brain, and the way you are enthusiastically telling is definitely for stomach too. Hope we don't get over diet and sleep here itself in our secret research, buddy. Yeah, indeed, Mahendra, indeed. We would sort out many more things today. How shall we go? Shall we start with Shripad today? Yes? Yes, then. Shripad, you open the batting this time around. Yes, sir. My pleasure. Yes, I was given a task last time around to inquire and gather information about the staff of chemistry department which works under Supriyo sir. Well, I took them one by one from last month or so to discuss and get to know about few things. Though many things are generalized in it, I found certain odd things when it comes to Supriyo sir's behaviors in last few months. Two of his juniors confirmed that his behavior has shown sudden change when it comes to their work. They said Some of the proceedings they used to see and look after together as a unit. But from last 1 year or so, Supriyo sir took hold of those proceedings single-handedly and limited his juniors to certain other works only. In this way, it happened that the working time of Supriyo sir increased from 3 hours more than his routine. He used to sit for that long in campus. Even personally, I saw that sometimes, but dismissed it by thinking that he may be busy in his research work, and that is why it is taking so much time to go ahead. We all know his dedication levels, so I never went in deep by thinking that I may disturbing him in his work. So this thing confirms that what those two told me that day was correct. So those proceedings which they both talked about includes chemistry lab new section extension planning, extension material list finalization, accounts related audit part, material listing for daily work at chemistry lab, requisition list of some of the new chemicals to be taken in, security measures, applications and implementations. Well, these are some of the works that he undertook himself. These are vital works when it comes to any chemical laboratory running, okay? And most of the parts are crucial enough in terms of, say, accounts, material, new chemicals, and their implementations. But if you see the history of ACC's chemistry section, it was all handled by Supriyo sir in the past, and with time, when his responsibilities grew towards ACCS, he himself put the requirement of increasing staff under him in periodic times, and we all obliged for it to get it done. But strangely, from last 12 months or so, he was doing that work himself only. And those people were assigned some other works which they say were important in stage wise manner for their careers. So they didn't made any doubts. But seeing their superior doing their kind of work, it looked little odd to them. But they kept it to themselves only.